In this video, I'll show you how to set up a school account. The purpose of setting up a school account is so that you can purchase and manage multiple subscriptions for your school. Firstly, we need to log in. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up using the sign up button on the top right. Select I'm a teacher, fill out the details, and verify your account when you receive the verification email, and then you can log in. I've already created my account, so I'm going to hit login. Input your details and log in. To create a school account, we can go up to Profile, then My School. Here we have the option to join a school. Once we've created a school, our colleagues can join that school by using this button. I'll show you that a little later. For now, we're going to register a new school. We've arrived at the school admin login. You can log in using your existing Frankenstories or Write-like email and password credentials, and then hit login. From here, we're prompted to name our school. I'll fill in these details. After I've input the details, select Create School. We're advised the school has been created. I'll continue. Here we can see we've been allocated a school code, and we've been given a checklist. We can purchase subscriptions or invite teachers. I'll start by purchasing subscriptions. Frankenstories subscriptions are on a per teacher basis. A teacher can host as many students as they like. However many teachers in your school wish to use Frankenstories is how many subscriptions you need to purchase. We can select the currency, the subscription length. I'll go 365 days. We can change the number of subscriptions to purchase. Purchasing multiple subscriptions in one transaction is one of the primary benefits of using the school account. I'll go to Checkout. This will take you to the secure third-party payment system. Payment success has been confirmed. I'll go to Continue. This screen is now showing that we have purchased 3 subscriptions and we can view them. But firstly, let's invite some teachers. New teachers can use this school code when they're registering their new account. Existing teachers can use the Join School button we showed earlier. I'll show you what a teacher might see. A teacher with an existing account can join your school account like we showed before. Go to Profile, then My School, then Join School, and input the school code here. A new teacher, when they're signing up for their new teacher account, select I'm a teacher, fill in their details, but then also include the school code. We're back in the school admin page. I can see that there are 3 teachers that have now joined the school. So with that, I'll go up to subscriptions. This is the subscription I purchased earlier. I can select it. Because I've had 3 teachers join, myself and 2 others, they've automatically all been allocated a subscription. You can also allocate subscriptions using the Assign button if they haven't been assigned already. You can also manage subscriptions. What we mean by manage is you can allocate and reallocate. So for example, I can click on myself here. I can unassign that subscription. Then that subscription is showing as unassigned. I can select it and I can assign that subscription. So I've selected myself and I hit assign. This feature is helpful in case you have more teachers than available subscriptions. So you could share a subscription, say, give it to one teacher for a term or a semester, and then reallocate that subscription to a different teacher at another period. We can have a look at the teachers page. I'll look at Kat here. I can view the subscription here, but also I can manage the teacher, and my action here is to remove the teacher, but also I can add as an admin. An account must have at least one admin, but you can have multiple admins as well. Here I'll add Kat as an admin. Then I'll go over to administrators, and you can see here now I have 2 administrators, and I could remove Kat as an administrator if I like by revoking admin access. And I'm back down to 1 administrator. So that's the end of our tutorial. We've shown you how to create a school admin account, purchase subscriptions in that account, add teachers, and also allocate subscriptions and administrators. Thanks for watching.